Here is how you can hide apps in the file manager on Android. Let me explain it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, when I go to my file browser, which is in my case or in these Samsung devices called My Files, in here you can see that I can go through the categories and literally find the installation files. And if you have any file, then it's going to be visible right here. So on this particular model, I don't seem to have it. But if I, sorry for the sound, but if I take out in here another device, I'm going to have the ability to show it to you, right? So on this other Samsung phone, I can go to the files as well, like this. And as you can see in here, if I go to the installation files, I have one of them, which is the Snapchat APK. And if I want to hide it, if I want to make sure that it's not like visible, and if I want to move it away, I can hold down on it like this, tap on a more option and click on rename. And I'm not interested in changing the name of the app, but I just want to change the extension. So instead of the APK, I just write something random, like let's say I just type in literally .info in here, and I'm going to rename it. So if I click on change, like this, you can see that there are no more installation files available, right? And yeah, it simply disappeared. There isn't any app stored in there. So that's a nice way to camouflage the app. If I then would want to find it again, I need to scroll through it. So it's probably part of the downloads in there, and I have to go in here. So as you can see, here it is, which seemingly doesn't work as any file because it has the .info extension. But if I hold down on it, click on more and reverse the process, but by renaming it back to the APK, you can see that this allows me to use it as the app which was stored here before, and I will have the ability to reinstall the files or do whatever else I want to do with it. But that was an effective way to hide the apps or installation files on the device. So I hope it helped. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.